What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while, and as you can see, we're still on the road again. I haven't had a break to really do anything or catch up with anything. It's raining out. I don't know if you can see or not. Here, we'll give you a good little. Everything's wet and rainy, so I haven't really been able to film any of the trucks or anything outside. There's a lot going on right now, but I just want to give you guys an update video. Probably show you a little bit of what's going on tonight. We're going to the fab school here in a little bit. I gotta make a few stops first, but I started school, so part of the reason I haven't been filming all that much. So I wake up, I go to the gym now, I go to work for a little bit. I've been working on a few projects, looking at some other things, and on top of that, now I go to school every night. Well, Monday through Thursday. I usually take Fridays off. I was on vacation last weekend, so kind of just a lot's been going on that has prevented me from filming or getting caught up. I didn't forget about you guys. I didn't fall off the face of the earth. I'm still alive, but yeah, it's been a busy one. So we're gonna get to work on some trucks soon. We got a lot of good stuff coming in, but yeah, pretty much I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going on at school, a little bit around the place, and yeah, we'll just we're going to work back into it slowly, and I have some big things that might be coming soon, so definitely huge for the channel if we can make it happen, but we'll see. So make sure you guys stay tuned. The truck's still in the works, but it's supposed to rain for like the next 4 days, so don't expect all that much content for anything, because yeah, it's miserable right now. So I want to inform you guys though that I am a dealer for HSP. We're working on merchant automotive, a few other sources like AirDog, PPE, all that good stuff. So don't forget, if you guys need work done and parts, I got the plug for you. So anyways, we'll catch up in a little bit when I get to school, and we can kind of see what's going on. So we got some welds done here. We are testing out today, so trying to do the best I can. These were a little bit hot. This one not bad, a little too hot, and I burnt my sleeve to it. This one not bad, but not consistent either. I was kind of walking all over the place, so gonna cut some more and throw a few more down. Alright guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little update, kind of what we're doing, everything. I know it's late out. It's like 11:30 at night right now. Just wrapping up this video, getting home. I do night school and still work during the day, so it is kind of hard to get some filming in. And here comes Coyote. But anyways, that's gonna do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're excited to see what comes in the future, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys later.